Feel like your money disappears every month? Here's a secret. The popular 50/30/20 rule, used by top investors, can help you build real wealth without killing the fun. Let's dive in. 50% of your income goes to needs, like rent, mortgage, bills, and groceries. Be honest here. Needs keep you alive, not entertained. Planning your needs ahead helps you avoid stress and overspending. 30% goes to wants, things you enjoy like coffee, games, or holidays. Nothing wrong with fun, but cut back if you want to save faster or invest more and eventually live a high quality of life. 20% goes to savings and investing. Split this up, some of your income for emergencies, some for investing your money to grow your wealth even more. Aim to save 6 to 12 months of expenses, just in case you lose your job. And here's the key. Track your spending and adjust the rule to your income. If you earn more, you might only need 20% for needs and can invest the rest to eventually make even more money. Start now, and you'll be way ahead of the 90% still living paycheck to paycheck, and on your way to joining the top 10% living with true financial freedom.